Hi everyone, hello and welcome to Lala Moves. Today we're going to do something different in our Time Out series. We're going to focus on our shoulders. Actually, it will look like we're focusing on our shoulders, but we actually want to challenge our mind and be more mindful. This is actually a mindfulness exercise, or just to be more aware of what we're not aware of. So I invite you to rotate or roll your shoulder forward, roll them forward together, or maybe one shoulder at a time. So it doesn't need to be so deliberate or so pretty, as long as you're rolling your shoulders forward. Okay. Now, let's try to roll them the other way and go to the back. So again, you can opt to roll your shoulders to the back together, or maybe you prefer to do them one shoulder at a time. So just do what feels good for your body today. Okay. So now that we've felt good about our body, let's go to that exercise where I'd like you to notice what you don't know or what you haven't noticed before. Roll one shoulder forward and then the other shoulder rolls back. So notice that this shoulder is moving forward and this shoulder is moving back. So try to do them together. Forward and back. Forward and back. Forward the other one goes back. So if you're doing like this is not how to do it, or you're doing like that, they're going toward the same direction, try to bring them toward a different direction. So this one is going forward, this one's going back. And then of course you have to do it the other way. Okay, so the other one goes forward, the other one goes back. And notice that you need to focus on actually sending one the other way, opposite way, because we're so used to getting them, rolling them together in the same direction. It's just a lot of things that we're doing with our lives. We're doing it on autopilot. But in fact, we need to rewire our brain, our mind, to be able to do something different. So I hope that this exercise today is able to inspire you to be more mindful about the things that you have been doing on autopilot. All right, have a nice day, everyone. Bye.